the group should change a bit. But I guess the main thing for me is I might just be able to feel a little bit more at home and comfortable and show a little bit more of myself. I feel like I've been a little bit quiet. Even though a lot of people think I've been really loud, I still feel like I've been a little bit quiet in the house.
Good night.
See you in the morning. Yawning.
Good night.
Thanks, sweetheart.
Yeah, Marky.
Don't leave me hanging there, baby.
Good to have you still around, mate.
Thanks, boys.
Don't leave me
Good to
hanging.
hear it. But the question is, do you mean it?
Oh, is it? Are you ready to spoon yet, Anna, or what, huh? Because you're hugging pretty tight.
I'm opening up. Just gonna be by myself.
Sleep
We need
tight,
lots
yeah.
of oil, man. We need lots of oil.
You say tight?
Sleep tight.
Do you know?
Said what?
I'm still here.
Oh, that's a nice hug.
Whether you'd want to
I
leave
give good hugs.
and come back knowing who voted or...
Thank you.
Let's go hit it. Bed.
I just so want to walk up to a light and flick it off.
Do ya?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good night.
What?
No.
Hey. Oh, no, Crystal.
Good night, Gailey boy.
I think that I need you. Because I'm gonna get lost without you here.
I think I'd be lost without you here as well.
You and I are the same in this house. Like, even though we're different, Mikey and that were talking about the divisions in the house, and I haven't noticed one thing. I haven't noticed.
Is there groups?
I don't know. I've never noticed. I flit around and I don't even notice.
Yeah. Clearances, please.
Who will it be? Coming up, Big Brother Live nominations with Gretel Killeen.